Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. Welcome to Trendlines Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do daily analysis. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, on our currency analysis, we're gonna start with our dollar index, and we are on a daily time frame. I hope you guys are able to see that. So at this point, we want to see where is our dollar heading towards. We can tell that our price was moving towards the downside, and now our price is bullish. The trend is bullish. We can see that dollar is bullish, is on a bullish trend. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just to see where is our dollar index going, so that you can be able to say what, or to understand what will happen with our pairs. So we can tell that with our pairs, if we start with currency pair, we are on Euro, USD, EU, and we are on a daily time frame. Remember that dollar is bullish, and now we pair dollar with Euro USD. Euro is gonna be bearish because our dollar is bullish and our euro is gonna be bearish. I hope you guys are able to understand what I am trying to explain to you guys. Let's look at our euro. We can see that EU has been giving us this bearish trend, and we confirm it by this type of moves that it's been giving us. We can see it has been respecting this type of areas where it was giving us a support zone, diagonal support zone, and diagonal resistance. As you can see, it respected these areas a couple of times. If we move closer to the time frame, if we move closer with the lower time frame, looking at our pairs, we had a channel where our price was moving correctively towards the resistance and pushed down towards the support as it was respecting this area. I can say this area is our demand area, where the price has to come back to the area to retest this area before we can say we move towards our supply area. So currently, when we look at our chart, our price is consolidating around this area, the area whereby we can say it's resistance, is consolidating between resistance and our support. We just have to wait for the price to break from this consolidation area towards the downside, or break above the resistance and push towards the upside. These are the beautiful moves, but at the consolidation, you don't normally have to trade consolidation because the price is moving sideways. So you just have to wait for it to break towards the upside or to break towards the downside. So if it gives us the trend, that's when we will be trading. Ladies and gentlemen, if we move to the next pair, the next pair we have is GU. Our GU is GU Great British Pound versus US dollar. We can see our GU has been moving with a nice beautiful trend. Remember, it's also against USD, so it's gonna be bearish since our dollar index is bullish. So our GU is giving us this bearish trend that is very beautiful to witness and has been respecting this area to give us the trend. You can see these areas were respected a couple of times. When the price is moving from 0.1, let me say this is 1, this is our 0.2, this is our 0.3, and 0.4 is around here. This is our 0.4. You can see that the price has been, we were having the chance of buying from this area. I can say this is our overall supply area where the price is gonna move or being bearish and has to come up to retest the area, so that we can say this is our very strong supply area. But one thing that I want you to understand is that when the price is around this diagonal resistance, that's when we look for the selling positions, since well as you see at the moment we are at the top level where we can say our price, we are looking for the selling opportunities to see if the price is gonna be able towards, will be able to move towards our previous support zone. So this is our demand area. We will have to wait for the price to hit this area to see if it's respected. If it does respect this area, we're gonna have to look for buying positions. I hope you guys are able to understand what I'm trying to show you. Look how the price moves. Now it seems like we are having this consolidation area at the moment. Remember, EU was on the consolidation, currently on consolidation, so I believe our GU has to be on consolidation also. Let's move closer to the lower time frame with the lower time frame and be able to see if this is really a consolidation move. Consolidation, yes, you can see that the price has been playing around this area, the resistance and our current support. We just have to wait for the price to move towards the support and see if it breaks through it and give us a retest towards the downside. That's when we will be starting to trade, because we cannot just fall for sideways trading. We cannot just make this our trading opportunity, because you open a trade here, you wait for the price to break. If it doesn't break, it pushes back up where you started, where you opened the trade, and then you just doesn't make sense to trade in a sideways. So you just have to wait for the trend that we can follow, so that we can have very nice profits. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move to the next one. Our next pair is AUOZ. So if we go with the daily time frame, allow me to go with the daily time frame and be able to say OZ is also on a bearish trend. As I was saying, anything that you pair with dollar, since we started by dollar index is bullish. Anything that you pair against it, it will be bearish. Since well, you see AU is also selling, is also on a downtrend. Downtrend, as you can see, we confirm it with this type of moves where we have pulsive moves and correlative moves, pulsive moves, correlative move like this. You can see that it has been respecting this area a couple of times that give us this diagonal support towards the downside, and we also have this area as our diagonal resistance, the price moving towards it. Ladies and gentlemen, you can see this beautiful area right here in the middle. The price has been respecting this area for some time, broke out of it as it was respecting, broke out of it, and now this price was turned into our resistance as the price was respecting the area. Remember that these are the type of moves where the price comes and respects the area. So let's just hope that when the price comes closer to the area, to this area, it will also push downside, or it might break and give us a retest towards the upside. If we move closer to the lower time frame to confirm or to be able to have a good idea where the price is going during the opening session, we can see that we've been having a nice bullish trend channel inside the bigger channel. Remember, this is our correlative channel inside our overall bearish channel. So the price is at this level where it's respecting this area. Let's hope it pushes down. It's gonna push towards the downside to give us our passive move, as we are expecting to see the price going towards our previous support. So we just have to wait and see if it respects this area. But I can tell that this type of move, you can see your bearish candlesticks, that the price seems to respect the area. It's about to push towards the downside. Thank you very much for watching this video, ladies and gentlemen. If you find the video very informative, please don't forget to subscribe, and please press the like button so that our video reaches some of people who are looking for this type of information. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos, and press the bell button so that you can be notified every time we are uploading. Thank you.